Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Today I am showing you how to make a cute little shoe. I am using 2.5 mm needle and a thread. So let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First of all, we will chain 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 3 additional 1 2 3. Now make in the fourth one 2 double crochet and make 1 double crochet in all stitches except last one. 1 double crochet in all stitches. Now I reach to my last chain. In this chain I will make 5 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now I will make double crochet in a row, and when I reach to my last chain I will tell you then what to do. So now this is my last chain. I will make 3 double crochet in last chain. 1 2 and 3, and make a slip stitch in the first double crochet. Now chain 1 and make in the same stitch single crochet for 2 times, and next chain 2 single crochet, then 1 2 3 single crochet, and 1 2 half double crochet, and 1 2 3 double crochet. Now make 2 2 double crochet in 5 stitches, then we will have 10. Now make double crochet in 3 and half double crochet 2 times, and 3 double single crochet, and 3 in 2 2 single crochet in 3 stitches, last 3 stitches, 2 single crochet, and make a slip stitch in the first chain. This is my second row. Now chain 3 and make in the same stitch double crochet. In the next make 2 double crochet. In the next stitch make 2 double crochet. And make 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. In 10 stitches make double crochet. Now make 2 double crochet in 10 stitches. 2 2 double crochet each stitch or in 10 stitches. Now after making 20 stitches, now make double crochet in 1 stitch, 1 double crochet in all stitches except last 4. Now I have 3 stitches in which I will do 2 double crochet. Now make a slip stitch in the third chain. Oh, I skipped one. One double crochet. Now my sole is ready. Now I will start from the middle. This is the middle of my shoes. So I will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. From the 10th, from the 9th stitch, I will insert hook and make 17 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. Now I will count again from the middle. This is the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this is my 9th. So I will make a single crochet and then I will do 2 more chain. Now I will insert my hook in the second one and pull a loop and hold on the needle. Again in the next stitch, hold on the needle, and now in the next stitch hold, in the next stitch hold. Now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I will pull over all of it. Chain 1. Now look carefully. This is star stitch. In the eye of the flower, I will pull a loop, hold. In the first crochet, I am a single crochet, pull a loop. In this next, pull a loop, and in the next, pull a loop. Okay? And then count 5 and pull all over of it. Chain 1. So do it till to the end. Now I will show once again in the end. Make a chain in the eye of the flower, pull a loop. In the single crochet, pull a loop, and the next 2 chain, 1 pull a loop and 2 pull a loop, and then pull through all of it. Again chain 1. Now I have 2 more, so I will do 1 more flower. 1, 2, 3, excuse me, make a chain 1, and in the second stitch make a slip stitch like this. Now I will turn my work. Now this is my end. I count from this side 1 2 3 4 5, and this is my last stitch of the half double crochet. Now I will chain 1, and the same I will make half double crochet and make it till to the end. So we have to make 6 row of half double crochet. Then we will make a strap of the sandal. So half double crochet till to the end. Now I completed my 5 round. So now I will make a strap for 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 and 18 19. Now I will make a half double crochet from the 13 and make it in all stitches till to the end. Now I completed my half double crochet till to the end. Now I will make the 6th row on the top of the 5th row, half double crochet till to the end. Very easy. Now my sandal is ready. So I hope you will like it. Put a button here and make a cute strap here. So I hope you will like it. I will see you in next video inshallah with new pattern. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.